Ever pondered the perplexing puzzle that is the Rubik's Cube? This six-sided conundrum has baffled minds around the globe since its invention in 1974. But fear not, for today we unravel the mystery that is the Rubik's Cube. To begin, understand that every Rubik's Cube, no matter how scrambled, can be solved in 20 moves or less. This concept is known as God's number. However, for the uninitiated, it's advisable to follow a step-by-step process. The first step involves solving the white cross. This is the foundation upon which the rest of the cube is built. Position the white centerpiece on top and match the edges to their corresponding center colors. Next, we focus on completing the first layer. This involves positioning the white corner pieces. With a bit of maneuvering, you can position each white corner piece beneath its designated spot on the first layer, and then flip it into place. Moving on to the second layer, you'll need to slot in the edge pieces. This is done by identifying the edge pieces on the top layer that don't have any yellow on them, and then using a specific sequence of moves to slot them into their correct positions. Now we tackle the third and final layer. This is where things get a bit tricky. The first step is to form a yellow cross on the top of the cube. Using a few clever moves, you can manipulate the yellow edges to form this cross. With the yellow cross in place, the next step is to arrange the yellow edges correctly. This might involve a bit of shuffling, but with patience and perseverance, it can be done. The final step is to position the yellow corners. This is the last piece of the puzzle, and once completed, you will have successfully solved the Rubik's Cube. In summary, the process of solving a Rubik's Cube involves building it up layer by layer. You start with the white cross, complete the first layer, slot in the edges of the second layer, and then tackle the third layer in 3 steps. Form the yellow cross, arrange the yellow edges, and finally position the yellow corners. Remember, solving a Rubik's Cube is not about speed, but about understanding the process and applying it systematically. It might seem intimidating at first, but with practice, anyone can master the Rubik's Cube. So go ahead, give it a try. You might surprise yourself.